Morning guys. So quick update. We upgraded our greenhouse from this guy that was sitting in the corner there to this bigger guy just because we needed more space. The pandan's still in there, and we have this humidifier, like a homemade humidifier. We transferred it over from the other greenhouse, so it's still working well. Hopefully it's big enough to keep this humidified. Yeah, this is pandan. Still seems to be okay. We'll wait for the roots to grow a little bit more, and then we might just, propagate it a bit. We'll see. So the main issue with pandan in cold climates, from my previous experience when we planted it under the tree, we thought we got plenty of cover, but the leaves catch the cold rainwater and directs it all the way down into the central node, and the problem is that rots it out. So we'll have to think of a better way to do this. You guys got any ideas?